Today is Saturday, August 24th, and let's check in the progress of Phase 2 of construction at the sanctuary. It's a beautiful day, and the cottages are up, and the siding is on. Look really good. This is 2 of the 8 canine cottages that'll be on the campus. There'll also be 8 feline cottages. And here's the rescue cottage. Things are coming along. Right on track to be done in October. And let's get a closer view of these beautiful new cottages. And here we have the area that has a portion of the original factory farm that was on the site remaining. And soon it'll be developed into a remembrance wall to remind us of what was here when it was once the opposite of a sanctuary for animals. It was once a factory farm.